Welcome back everybody to Valvetronic Designs. Today we are in a 997.2 GT3 and this car has been fitted with our exhaust valve controller. This system controls the factory exhaust valves and gives you the flexibility to enjoy loud and quiet sounds at the touch of a button. This is loud. And then when you want to close it up, easy as one button and the car becomes a stealth bomber. It's silent. Alright, it's just a quick bit of information for everybody. I apologize, the scenery has changed, but I'm in the same clothes, so it's the same day. For this Porsche exhaust valve controller, it fits every single Porsche that utilizes exhaust valves, the vacuum style exhaust valves. Make sure that you have the correct type of solenoid in your Porsche, and this controller will work for you. From 997.2 GT3s to 991.1 Carrera S's, the Boxsters, Caymans, GT4s, Boxster Spider, the Panameras, the Cayennes. If your Porsche has vacuum actuated exhaust valves, this controller will work for you. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for being part of our family. And now go out, drive, and enjoy.